Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. It's time to learn countdown. Open your countdown book 2. Students, we were revising the chapter number 2, that is addition. Today we will revise page number 36 and page number 37. Students, our today's topic is addition, and we will learn more about the converting ones. Look students, we have learned about the conversion of ones into tens. After learning the conversion, many numbers can be added together. Students, today we will learn about the addition of the several numbers. And today we will more learn about the converting ones. We will convert the ones of the several numbers by adding them. Okay? Look in your book. As we know that first we add the ones, then we add the tens, and after that we add the hundreds. Okay? We already learn about this and we also practice this. Students, you are well familiar to these boxes and the numbers that they are showing. Okay? Today we will learn the addition of these boxes in several numbers. Let's start doing it from the 1. Look students, here is our first number. Here we have the loose boxes that are showing the ones. First we will count the ones that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have the 6 ones here. And next is the block for the tens, that is 1. No other block for the 100. So in the first number we have 1 tens and 6 ones. So the first number will be 16. Look, this is our second number. In the ones we have the only one loose box. In the tens we have the 2 boxes, and in the hundreds we have the only one here. Okay? Now in the ones we have the 1, in the tens we have the 2, and in the hundreds we have the 1 block. Okay? So the number will be 1 hundreds, 2 tens and 1 ones. You can read the number to 121. Okay? We have find out the two numbers here. First one is 16. The other one is 121. And here is our third number, that having the only ones, no hundreds and no tens. The number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The number is 9 ones. Okay? So we will add the number 16, 121 and the number 9 here. Okay students? Look students, we have written the numbers, the 3 numbers that we taken from the boxes. We have written the 3 numbers here. Okay? First one was 16, other was 121 and the third one was 9. So let's count the numbers 6, 1 and 9. We will start adding from the one side. When we add these numbers, 9 plus 1 that is equal to 10, 10 plus 6 that is equal to 16. We will add 3 numbers. The answer is 16. We can't write the 16 here. So we will write the 6 here and the 1 will be converted to the tens column. In the tens column, we will add the numbers 2, 1, 1 and the 4. The number will be 2, 3 and 4. So in the tens we get the number 4. While in the hundred we have the only 1 and no carry from the tens. So we will write it as it is. Okay? So the addition of the number 16 121, and the 9 is 146. Okay students? Okay students, now look at this sum. And this we have the three numbers, and we will find these numbers by these boxes. Look at the first number, we have the 7 ones and 2 tenths, so the number will be 27. And here is the second number. In the ones we have the 9 loose boxes, so we have 9 tenths, and in the tenths we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have the 4 tenths, and in the hundreds we have 2 boxes, so these are the 200s. We can read this number as 249. Okay, this one is our last number. Here we have the 8 loose boxes that are showing the ones, so here we have 8 ones, 1 tenths and 100s, so the number is 118. We have written all these numbers in this way. Look, we have written all these numbers. The first one was 27, 249 and 118. So we will start adding from the ones side. In the ones we have the number 7, 9 and 8. Let's add the numbers. Look students, you can count these numbers by these ones boxes too. Here we have the 7 boxes, here we have the 9 boxes, and here we have the 8 boxes. So when we count these boxes, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. We get the number 24. Look, I have changed the word number 24 into ones and the tenths. Okay, here in the ones we have the number 4, and in the tenths we have the number 2. Okay, I will write the 4 that is ones in the ones column, and 2 that is left with the tenths. I will write that 2 in the tenths column upper here in the form of the carry. Okay, now I will add these numbers by adding this carry 2. 2 and 2, 4, 4, 5 and 4, 9. So this word can be written in the tens column here. Okay, now it's time to add the hundreds, because we add the hundreds in the last. Here we have the numbers 2 and 1. When we add these two numbers, we get the answer 2, and 1 we get the answer 3 here. Okay students, look, we have solved the three numbers addition by the same process. Look students, here is the solved part of your question. Remember one thing students, we will put the tens number in the tens column, either it is 2 or 1 or any other number ranging from 0 to 9. Okay, we will add the tens number in the tens column in this way, in the form of the carry. Okay students, now open your page number 37. Look students, here we will do the addition of several numbers by converting ones. Here is our question. We have to complete all these sums. Our first question is, we will have to add the numbers, the three numbers 14, 309 and 108. We will start addition from the ones column. Okay, in the ones column we have the numbers 9, 8 and 4. Students, you can add these numbers by taking different things in this quantity. Okay, look, I have taken 9 red chilies. You can count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I have taken the 8 candies: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And look, I have also taken the 4 lollipops: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Look students, I have added all the red chilies, candies and lollipops. Now you can count them all. That are, look students, when we count all of them, that are 21 in numbers. You can count all this together: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So when we added all these different things, different numbers, the answer is 21. We will take the number 21 and convert it into ones and tens. Here in the ones, we get the number 1. I will write the 1 in the ones column and 2 will be taken as carry in the tens column. Look students, we have completed our ones column. Now it's time to complete tens column. In the tens column, we will add the numbers 2 and 1. 1 in the tens column and 2 that is carried by the ones. Here the other numbers are 0. We can't count them. Okay. We will take the 2 and 1. Look, I have taken the 2 candies that were taken as the carry and other ones with it. Now the number become 1, 2 and 3. I will write the number 3 in the tens column. Look students, I have written the number 3 in the tens column. At the last we will add the hundreds column. Here we have the numbers 3 and 1 that are different numbers. Look students, I have taken the 3 large bands and 1 small band. When we add all of them, the number will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. By adding several numbers, we get the number 4. Look students, we have solved the number 3 and 4. 1, that was the 4 here. Okay. So students, hope this concept will be clear to you. Now you can answer all the questions and the addition sums that are having the several numbers or different numbers. Look students, here is part B. We will solve the 3 several numbers. First we will start adding the ones. When we add the numbers 7, 9 and 9, our answer is 25. And we will write the 5 of the 25 in the ones here and the 2 will be taken as carry in the tens column. When we add the number 4, 2 and 2, our answer is 8. We will write the 8 here. At the last we will add the number hundreds, 4 and 2, that is 6. So we will write the answer here as 685. Our next part is C. In this we will add first the ones column. When we add these numbers, the answer is 20. We will write the 0 of the 20 here in the ones column and 2 will be taken as carry in the tens column. We will add the numbers 2, 3, 2 and 1 and our answer will be 8. After that we will add the hundreds column. In this we will add the number 3 and 4 and answer is 3 and 1 and answer is 4. So the answer of this is 480. Next is part D. First we will add the ones 9, 8 and 5 and answer is 22. We will write the 2 here and 2 as the carry in the tens. When we add the number 4, 2 and 2, the answer is 8. We will write the 8 here. And at the last, no one is here to add with the 9, so 9 will be written same as the above. Answer will be 982. Next is part E. We will count the ones first by adding these numbers. The answer is 19. We will write the 9 here and 1 in the tens column as a carry. And when we add these numbers and carry, the answer is 5 and the hundreds will be written as same. So the answer is 559. Next is the part F. We will add first the ones by adding the numbers 8, 8, 8 and 5. We get the answer 29. We will write the 9 here and 2 will be written as tens in this column as a carry. We will add the numbers 3, 2 and 2. The answer will be 7 and will be written in the tens column here. And in the hundreds we will add these numbers 1 and 1 as there is no carry, so it will be written as 2 here. Next is our part G. By adding the numbers 5, 9, 8 and 3, we get the number 25 and 5 will be written here and 2 as a carry in the tens column. By adding these numbers, we get the number 9 here. At the end, we add the hundreds that are the 2. Here is part H. By adding the numbers in the ones first, we get the number 23. We will write the 3 here and 2 will be written carry as in the tens column. By adding these numbers, we get the number 8 and at the end, we will add the numbers in the hundreds that are 2 and 1. By adding these two numbers, we get the number 3 here. Here is our part I. The process of the addition is same while the numbers are different in all the questions. Here we are adding the ones. In the ones column we have the numbers 6, 8 and 7. When we add them, the answer is 21. We will write the 1 here and 2 will be taken as a carry in the tens column. The number by adding 2, 1, 1 and 2, the answer is 6 here. In the hundreds, we will take 4 and 1 and the answer will be 5 here. Next is part J. By adding the ones, we get 23. We will take 3 here and 2 will be taken as carry. By adding these numbers and the carry, we get the number 5 here. And in the hundreds, 4 and 2 are added and the answer is 6. Here is our part K. We will add these numbers in the ones and the answer is 28. We will write the 8 here and 2 will be taken as carry in the tens column. By adding these numbers and the carry, we get the number 8. And at the last, we will add the numbers 1, 5 and 1 in the hundreds. That will 7. Here is part L. In the L, first we will count the numbers in the ones that are 7, 8 and 5. By adding these numbers, we get the number 20. We will write the 0 here and 2 will be taken as carry in the tens column. By adding the numbers 3, 4 and 2, we get the number 9. And in the hundreds, we left with 3 only. We will write the 3 in the same manner. Next is part M. In this, we have the numbers 8, 7, 6 and 5 in the ones. You can count it by taking different things in these numbers. When we add these numbers, our answer is 26. We will write the 6 here and 2 will be taken as carry in the tens column. By adding the tens and the carry, answer is 7. And in the hundreds, we have the 3, 1. By counting this, we get the number 3. Answer is 376. Next is part N. We will count the numbers in the ones. Answer is 22. We will write the 2 here and the 2 in the tens column. By adding these numbers, we get the number 6. And at the last, we will add the hundreds. 2 and 1, that is 3. Here is the part O. We will add these numbers in the ones column and the answer is 25. We will write the 5 here and 2 as a carry in the tens column. By adding these numbers and the 2, this will be 9, and in the hundreds we will count these numbers 5, 1 and 2 and answer is 8. The answer is 895. Here is the last part of the page number 37. In this we will add the numbers 6, 8, 6 and 4. These numbers can be counted by taking different things or you can count it on your fingers. Here we get the number 24. 4 will be written in the ones column and 2 will be taken as carry in the tens column. 2, 4, 1 and 2. We will add these numbers and the carry 2 and our answer is 9. By adding all these numbers in the hundreds, the answer will be 9. So, answer of this question will be 994. Hope all of this will be clear to you students and you will be able to add the several numbers in this way. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.